Hi everyone, we are back again. Yes, to continue with the fourth Sudoku of today's newspaper on May the 11th, Monday. It's a 4-star Sudoku, this one, so I hope I will finish this or solve this within 30 minutes, otherwise this will be a hard one, or definitely a 4-star Sudoku. And so let's get started. All right. I see a lot of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start with the 1. How about 1 in this column, 1 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Can I do this the same with the another digits? That's the question. I will try. How about the 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then I see I cannot finish the 2. Need to wait for more information. How about which number? The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then 5, 5, 5, 5. Ooh. How about 7, 7, 7. No. Am I stuck? That's the question. 1 and the 2. Well, the 4. Need a number, extra number. 4, 4, 4. Tough one. I think I need to mark some boxes, otherwise I cannot continue. Yes, I think I need to mark some boxes. Let's see, the last column. The 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes, so the 5 should be here or there. That means 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 5, here or there. So we have the 5 here. Let me see, the 8, yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be here. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes, so the 5 should be here or there. The other numbers are the 9. I see here 9. No 9 here. Here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. The 7, the 8, the 3, and the 2, yes, the 2 and the 9, I see 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9, so we have a pair here, the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9, so it cannot be here, cannot be there, so one place left for the 5 should be here. We have here a 5 here or 5 there. Now we have a 5 here, so this should be the 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. That means the 4, 6, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And 8, 8. Here and 8, I marked them. Easier for me, the 4 in this column. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 7, we have a 7 here, so the 7 could be here or could be there, because we have a 7 here. 1, 5, 9. The 4 is missing, yes, in this big square we have a 4 here, and the 2, so no 4 and a 2 here, so we have a pair, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Those 2 numbers are the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7, 6 and 7, that means this 7 cannot be there, the 7 should be there. 6 and 7, that means the 8 and the 3 are missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have the 4, 4, yes, we have a 4 here, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 here, no 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 4 should be there. That means this here we have a 4, so this cannot be any more a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this third row for the number 6. 1 number left in the second row for the number 8. No, 8 we have the 9 is missing, yes, the 9. 8 and 3, 6 and 7, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, yes. All the ones are used, yes. I've marked this. How about the number 9? These three numbers, 8, 3, and 5. Here should be the 5. Yes, the 5. 8, 3, and a 5 should be the 5. That means 5, 5 in the second column. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, so the 5 should be in these two boxes. Same, no, not the same. 5, 5. 2 are used. 2, 2, 2. I think all the 2s are used. Yes. Correct. Yes, the 2 are used. How about the 7? 7 here. Could be a 7. And there could be a 7. We have a match up here, 8 and 8. That means here also an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the middle column, the 8, same with the 7. That means these two numbers are the numbers 5 and 4. In the middle column, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. That means 4, 4 in this row. We have a 4 here, so the 4 goes and there. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. The 4, 4, that means here cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. This should be the 4. That means 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the last column, the 2 places for the 4. These two numbers for this big square, the 6 and the 3. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing in the last column. 6, 7, and a 4. 4 and a 7 we have, so one box left for the missing digit, the 6. 4 and the 7 we have here. These three numbers are the numbers 3, 8, and I see here an 8, so this cannot be an 8. So the 8 should be here or there. That means here an 8 or there an 8. 8, 3, and 6. 8, 3, and 6. 6, I cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers, the 8 and the 3? We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One box left for the 8 should be this one. This should be the 7. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7. This should be a 6. One box left in this column for the number 6. The 3 is missing here in this column. The 3 and the 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then two numbers left, the 5 and the 6 are left. The 5 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, 5 and the 6. How about the 6 and the 3? I need a 3. 3, 3, yes. 3 here, 3 there. 8 and the 3, 8 and the 3. 8, 8, that means here an 8 or there an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. That means we have an 8 here. This cannot be an 8 anymore. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. The 5. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in one of those two boxes in this column. So in the column between the second column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. One box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes for I have marked these 2 boxes with the 5, but I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, I believe. Yes. We have now a 3, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 3. This should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished. Alright, in 60 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th Sudoku of today, a binary puzzle. Thank you and bye bye.